Whether you live stream for a living or simply join the occasional Zoom conference, Speedify can provide a smoother and more reliable streaming experience. I'm Ryan from Connectify, and in this video I'll show you how you can use Speedify to level up your live streams for events, meetings, calls, and classes. Speedify is a unique channel bonding VPN service, the only one that enables you to use all of your internet connections at the same time to improve stability, speed, and security. Normally, if you have multiple internet connections available, such as Wi-Fi and Cellular, your device will only use one of them at a time. Speedify actually combines all of your connections and intelligently distributes your online traffic between them for optimal performance. Plus, if you accidentally step out of Wi-Fi range, Speedify will seamlessly fail over to your other working connections without skipping a beat. But that's not all. Speedify automatically detects, protects, and prioritizes real-time streaming traffic such as video calls and conferences, live streaming, and gaming. So you can stop asking, "Can you hear me?" and start streaming at the speed of all your connections combined. Getting started is easy. Speedify is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, as well as iOS and Android. Once installed, simply flip the switch on to connect and Speedify will start protecting your connections. Then, open up your live streaming app or website and start broadcasting, now with the power of all your connections combined. That's all there is to it. The more connections you have, the faster you'll go. And even if you have a more advanced live streaming setup involving an external camera such as a GoPro, Speedify can still help. Check out the links in the description on how to build a DIY Wi-Fi bonding router, or share the bonded connection from your Windows or Linux devices to the camera. Get started today at Speedify.com.